Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious cupcake for Halloween, a chocolate cupcake for Halloween. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These chocolate cupcakes for Halloween, these are the ingredients. I have baking soda, vinegar, salt, one room temperature egg, room temperature milk, vegetable oil, cocoa powder, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, and of course the non-stick baking cream that you already have on my channel. So let's get started. I want to start by first adding the room temperature milk with the vinegar. I am going to whisk it and it's automatically going to get nice and thick. And now I am ready to add the vegetable oil. I'm going to add one room temperature egg and I am going to whisk it really good. Let me tell you, these chocolate cupcakes come out fluffy and delicious that I know you guys are really going to enjoy. And if you have little ones, have them come and help you. I am going to add the dry ingredients, the all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, the pinch of salt, the baking soda, and of course the sugar. I am going to sift it really good so no little balls stay in the mixture. And now I am ready to incorporate all these amazing ingredients. Of course, the batter is going to be nice and thick. It's not going to be runny at all. But believe me, if you do it from scratch, your chocolate cupcakes are going to come out amazing. And you have control of how much sugar you add to your delicious and amazing cupcakes. Look at this. The texture is very smooth and nice and thick, and that's exactly how you want it. Look at this. This is the way your batter should look. Nice and thick, but yet really smooth. Of course, now I am ready to prepare the baking dish. I am going to add this amazing non-stick baking cream that you already have this amazing recipe on my channel. Just look for Cooking with Gloria non-stick baking cream and you are going to prepare this non-stick baking cream instead of adding butter or lard and then adding the all-purpose flour where everything is combined. And of course you could prepare it and leave it in your refrigerator for a very long time. Now that I have greased really good with the non-stick baking cream, I am ready to pour the amazing batter of the chocolate. I'm going to fill them halfway up. It really doesn't take too long to make these amazing chocolate cupcakes. You could just enjoy them just like that or add this amazing decoration on the top for Halloween. I'm going to take it to the oven at 350 for 35 minutes. When you bring them out, make sure that you have a toothpick so that you could put this toothpick right in the center. And if it comes out clean, that means the cupcake is ready. Of course, you're going to let it rest to come to room temperature before you add your heavy whipping cream right on the top, your decoration. The heavy whipping cream needs to be really nice and cold, and then you are going to mix until it's nice and fluffy, and that's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes. But I am sure that once you make these amazing homemade chocolate cupcakes, you guys are really going to enjoy them. Even if it's not for Halloween, you can enjoy it with the hot cocoa, with the delicious coffee, you name it, even with a atole.
A vanilla atole will come out amazing. Will taste delicious with this chocolate cupcake. Now that the heavy whipping cream is nice and done, nice and thick, well then I am ready to start adding it to my little baggie and add all this amazing heavy whipping cream, nice and fluffy and thick. You don't need to add anything to the heavy whipping cream. It has already the sugar. And now I am ready for the decoration. It's a very simple and easy decoration that I am sure that if you have little ones, they could even help you with the sprinkles. Adding the sprinkles on the top and adding the spider right on the top. And of course, the chocolate cupcake is going to release from the baking dish very easily because we use the non-stick baking cream. Okay, now I'm ready to decorate. Look how easy it is. You just pull out your cupcake and look, nothing sticks to the baking dish. I'm going to add the black sprinkles and the red sprinkles, and of course, the large spider. Look how beautiful this looks. There is no need to go and buy cupcakes for Halloween when you can make them from scratch. There is no need to buy those boxes for cakes when you could do it from scratch. And let me tell you, you have control of what you add to your delicious and fluffy cupcakes. Look how gorgeous it looks, just like that. I can't wait to taste them. My home smells amazing. And now, of course, I want to show you how they look from the inside. How it's nice and fluffy from the inside of the cupcake. Look at this. Look how soft and spongy it is. Enjoy it just like that with a delicious hot coffee. Look how fluffy it is from the inside. Okay, I am ready for the presentation. If you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with these amazing chocolate cupcakes for Halloween. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And of course, I need to taste this fluffy cupcake made of chocolate. My favorite dessert, excuse me. The cupcake, it's so fluffy, so intense with the chocolate flavor that I know you guys are going to love it. Make it from scratch. If I could make it from scratch, you could make it from scratch. And you have control of how much sugar you are adding to your cupcakes. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.